Hey guys, hope you can join me and have some fun as I show you how to draw a rainbow with two clouds. So I'm going to start with this cloud down the bottom, and we're going to start with a big part for the first part of the cloud, another one, bring one over this side, and then bring another little one coming out and straight across, and then this is going to come around and join into there. So there's one cloud. Now we're going to draw the other cloud over here. So I'm starting with a line across, and then for the bottom, bring that around. Another bump. You can add as many of them as you like. Now we're going to draw from here, coming over to there, our rainbow. So we have to be very, very careful. I'm going to start with basically the bottom one, so curve it up and around like so. That curve controls the rest of the rainbow, so what we need to do now is try and, you can turn your page around, but I'm keeping mine there. I'm coming down there and then coming across here like so. I'm trying to keep that distance the same all the way. So if I put a dot there, then I come down this way and this way. We're going to have 7 colours, so we've got 2 at the moment. We need to keep doing that. I find it easy to put a dot there and then work our way down this way, coming down there and coming across to here like so. 3 colours. Hopefully we've got enough cloud to do 4. So coming down this way, 1, there we go, there's 4 colours. Now I'm going to bring this line down here, 5, and then bring this one down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be 6, 6, and then our lucky last rainbow is going to come from here. There we have a cute rainbow ready to colour in.